Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today about topic is what is Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency that operates independent from trading banking system and is based on advanced cryptographic. It is a decentralized currency that allow for transfer and secure transaction between user without the need for a central intermediary like a bank. Bitcoin investment involve buying and holding Bitcoin with the hope that is a value will increase over time, offering a profitable return on investment. Before investing in Bitcoin, it is important to thorough research the cryptocurrency and the market trends, understand the risk involved, and determine an approach investment strategy. There are a variety of ways to invest in Bitcoin, including buying directly through an exchange or using derivatives through an exchange or using derivatives like future contracts or exchange trade funds. ETFs, it is important to consult with a financial advisor or expert before investing in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, as the market is highly volatile and can be unpredictable. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.